I'll show you how to use Stripe payment links versus invoices. First, open your browser and log into your Stripe dashboard so you can access both tools in one place. Next, go to the left side menu and look for payment links and invoices. These are two different ways to collect money, and each one is used for a different situation. Now, click on payment links first. Payment links are the fastest way to request a payment. You simply create a link, set the price for a product or service, and then share that link with your customer through WhatsApp, email, or social media. The customer clicks the link and pays instantly on a secure checkout page. After that, go back and click on Invoices. Invoices are more formal and are used when you need to bill a customer with detailed information. When you create an invoice, you add the customer's name, email, items, due date, and payment terms. Then Stripe sends the invoice directly to the customer's email, and they can pay it using the link inside the invoice. Now the key difference is simple. Use payment links when you want quick, instant payments without extra details. Use invoices when you need tracking, payment deadlines, or professional billing for clients or businesses. Next, you can try both methods by creating a payment link for a simple product and an invoice for a service. This helps you understand when to use each option in real situations. Finally, always check your Stripe dashboard to track payments and confirm which method your customer used. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Stripe payment links versus invoices. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.